come with me to unbox my ENHYPEN album, Desire Unleashed. Look at all the members we have, all 7 of them. Ooh, a little turkey to open, little sticky stuff. Ooh, it's really colorful, I see. There's some red, green, is that gray? Okay, blue, wow. Handsome, here, look out. Oh, quiet. Let's see, yeah, look. His little finger in his cheek. That's so cute. Ooh, it's a CD. I can't wait, I can't wait. Okay, I think this green one is pictures maybe? That's right, okay. Wow, so pretty, so pretty. I really love these. They really show who they are, and I think it's really amazing. And I love the detail and the quality is just immaculate. Look, so cute. So cute, so cute, so cute. It's green now. I love the vibes, they switch it up too. Oh, I'll put that away now. It was so adorable. Let's see. Oh, look! Oh my goodness! Oh, is there something else? It's a sticker! Oh, adorable! I love. So cute. Okay, away. Take a look! It's so pretty. I love how metallic it is. I really see the vibe they were going for. Well, thank you so much for watching. Love to you guys. See you in my next unboxing video. Bye!